Over here, I would like to greet Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to all of my students over here. The very first terminology over here is the view. How can you define the view in GIS? Right now, I am taking online Mr. Wajid Ali. I do welcome Mr. Wajid Ali over there.
Yes, sir.
My dear student, there is a question written before you. That one is the definition of view in GIS. Do you know about that one? Do you know the definition of view?
No, sir.
Okay, my dear, anyone amongst you who know the definition of the view, raise your hands. Okay, Mr. Zanali is there. Where is Mr. Zanali? Just give me some time over there. Mr. Zanali. Yes, Mr. Zanali, thank you very much. Right now, I am taking you online there. You have raised your hand.
Yes, sir.
My dear Zan, tell me the definition.
It is something which show us details of some kind of features
Yes,
and other things.
I can consider your answer over there, 100%. And remarkable is there. But if can you help me or help the students in understanding the definition that is right before you going on to be displayed over there? Mr. Zainali, are you there?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
a view is a collection of themes.
Okay, can you tell me about this definition? That one is before you. You gave an idea of the definition over there.
Yes, sir.
I agree with you, but the people over there, all the listeners, all the viewers are there. How can they get understanding of the definition of the view? Can you help us and everybody there? A view is a
Sir, it is
collection of
the
things.
basic collection of themes. We have different kinds of themes. Like we have, if we want to show some features like ponds, rivers, and different locations. So this is collection. We can collect the data in GIS to show a picture and show the collection of themes.
Okay, my dear Zanali, we noted over there onto your notebook. You have the plus points over there, Mr. Zanali. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Many things are there that we come across in our brain, come across in our mind over there. But we are not helping to describe the ideas or things that are in our mind over there, that are going on in our minds. I got your idea. I got what you are thinking about. And I am giving you 100% marks over there for what you are thinking. Okay, my dear? Right now, everybody, do listen me carefully, my dear. A view is a collection of themes. Okay, to get understanding of the view, you consider a view is a complete picture of anything. Okay, my dear? All right, Mr. Zainali, I'm taking you online there.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to tell you about the
Yes, sir.
view. How can you understand the view in GIS? A view represents a complete picture of anything or any geographical feature.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me
Yes,
tell
sir.
you, any geographical feature might be consisted of a number of geographical features. Okay. And let me tell you
Yes,
about
sir.
the geographical feature. anything that occupies space on earth that has some height or width is there, and that one is known as the geographical feature. All right, and the examples
Yes,
of the
sir.
geographical features are the rivers, ponds, lakes, mountains,
Buildings.
buildings, schools, colleges, hospitals, and many things. Houses are there, roads are there, streets are there, many things are there. What is an example of the view that might be consisted of many geographical features? And you gave an example of the theme like the geographical features. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
In a particular area, the complete picture of all the geographical features is known as the view. It is the definition of the view. Okay, give me an example of a view. Tell me, yeah.
Sir,
Mr. Zam.
we can view a building. We can
No,
view a
yeah.
building.
No. I discussed in detail, yeah. Yes, I appreciate you to be a part of the online lecture there and the question there. And right now I am taking Mr. Talha online there. I welcome you, Mr. Talha. Mr. Talha, don't touch your mic there.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
Acha
Okay.
beta, I
Yes,
did
sir.
tell you about the definition of the view. Do tell me about the example of the view. Tell me, yeah.
सर मैंने अभी अभी ज्वाइन किया है तो मैं मतलब
Okay.
अभी ज्वाइन
Okay, my dear Mr. Umar Hasib, my dear, tell me an example of the view.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam, my dear.
The example of view is the basically sir geographical features like sir mountains, rivers, pond. Yes, to view a spatial data, sir.
That might be the mountain ranges. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mountain ranges like
अच्छा बेटा, मैं आपको बेटा
seas,
उर्दू
river.
बात सुने बेटा, मैं आपको उर्दू में समझा देता हूँ,
Yes.
फिर आप मेरी बात
Yes, sir.
समझेंगे. अगर कोई भी एरिया पर्टिकुलर एरिया है जमीन के ऊपर, ठीक है, और
Yes,
उसके
sir.
ऊपर कोई ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर्स हैं, आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, sir.
और हम उसको कहते हैं कि वो पर्टिकुलर एरिया का जो कंप्लीट पिक्चर है containing all
Yes, sir.
those geographical features is known as
Yes,
the
sir.
view.
Yes, sir.
समझ आइए बेटा, कोई भी पर्टिकुलर एरिया है जमीन का, उसका हम
Yes,
अगर
sir.
उसकी कंप्लीट पिक्चर लेते हैं उस एरिया की, और उसके अंदर जियोग्राफिकल
Yes, sir.
फीचर्स हैं, उसके अंदर जियोग्राफिकल फीचर्स हो सकते हैं कि बेटा वहाँ लेक्स हो सकती हैं, वहाँ पे हाउसेज हो सकते
Mount.
हैं, वहाँ माउंटेन हो
Yes,
सकते
sir.
हैं, वहाँ रिवर्स हो सकते हैं, वहाँ स्कूल्स हो सकते हैं, कॉलेजेस हो सकते हैं. और फिर इसकी इस व्यू की एग्जाम्पल क्या हो सकती है? मैंने काफी डिटेल से
Sir, like
बताया.
a sir, like a sir यूनिवर्सिटी सर यूनिवर्सिटी में सारे फीचर आ जाते हैं सर, ज्योग्राफिकल आ जाते हैं, दरख्त भी आ जाते हैं सर, बिल्डिंग्स भी आ जाती हैं, सारा कुछ है
think
यूनिवर्सिटी
some
सर.
माशाल्लाह, you think something broader than it. इससे जरा थोड़ा सा ब्रॉडर सोचें बेटा. एक मिनट बेटा. शहरोज,
ओके सर.
शहरोज बेटा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम बेटा. आप व्यू की एग्जांपल बताएंगे बेटा?
Sir, it's defined by its definition. A view is a collection of themes. I can generally define as like a Lahore city. It consists of all the things of different themes are defined like this, na sir.
Okay, Mr. Shahroz, your answer is correct, my dear, and I congratulate
Thank you
you.
so much, sir.
I'm very happy to take you live over
Thank you,
here.
sir.
In the city of Lahore, there are a number of themes are there. Okay, all right. An example of the view is what here? City of Lahore, Washington DC. इसके साथ ही आपका टीचर आपसे इजाजत चाहता है. अल्लाह हाफिज बेटा.